Hey guys, Mr. T here, just doing the first of a series of videos to help you with the 10 South Australian Curriculum Maths Statistics Directed Investigation, your assignment on statistics. So what you're doing in this task is you're going to make up a question that you can answer by collecting data from primary and secondary sources. Let's make it primary, you'll collect it from people in your class. You're going to collect that data and then you're going to do graphs, graphical representations from what has been taught to compare measures of center and spread. And then you're going to look at what those graphs say and what those statistics say to analyze and make conclusion about what the data shows to support or deny your question. And you're going to present this in the form of a mathematical report, no longer than 8 pages, that doesn't include references and appendices. So, what does your investigation need to have? An intro. You need to have a method that tells you how you collected the data and how you tried to analyze it. This is really the maths part, the appropriate application of maths models or strategies, including the generation of data and info with details of the process of collection, maths calculations and results, and appropriate representations, which are graphs, the analysis and interpretation of the results, and you look at the limitations of your investigation. Lastly, a conclusion and appendices and a bibliography if you've used research. So there's 2 things attached to this, a data collection and calculation scaffold to help you see how you can collect data, and also a scaffold for the report you need to do. So we'll go straight to the task. The very first thing that you need to do is that you need to state a hypothesis that you can use statistics to present a solution to that hypothesis. Your hypothesis is up to you, but you need to tell me what you're trying to do. Can you please limit the hypothesis to one independent variable that you can measure with a numerical variable that you gather from people in your classroom? So, for example, if my hypothesis was gamers have faster reaction than non-gamers, the independent variable is being a gamer or a non-gamer, and the numerical variable is the reflex score that you get from human benchmark or a different reflex tester. Maths-wise, you're going to have to do all the measures of center, all the measures of spread, at least one histogram to show your understanding of skew of a data set, and parallel box plots of both data sets so you can compare the distributions of your chosen variable. You could do it multimedia if you wanted, but I don't recommend that. So the very first part that you have to do is some decision making, which is the data proposal. So I'll do that in the next video.